I am a Trader Joe's super fan who has never tried cookie butter. I know, I've just never tried it. So we're gonna buy this and go home and try it. Here's my trick for like parties, you ready? So some Greek yogurt with lemon, like lemon juice zest or whatever, and then a little olive oil on top, and then you sprinkle this on top and you dip it with like bread or whatever. It looks really kind of fancy and really good. So one of my go-to meals is butternut squash ravioli, and then I make a butter sage sauce that is so good. The sage gets extra crispy and it's delicious. Tortilla chips. These are my absolute weakness. I love these. I love to grill them. They get all charred on the outside. It's so good. So I'm not a big beer drinker, but when I do, I like it fruity. All right, this tea is fantastic. Rachel, who's our program manager for Start and Grow, turned me onto it. It is so good. If you think that you might be getting a little bit of a sickness, try this out. Sickness will go away, I promise. This is delicious and only 10 calories. I don't eat a lot of ice cream anymore, but when I do, the super premium coffee ice cream is so good. I love curry. I love spicy stuff. This is very good. It's got jackfruit and tofu, and it's awesome. I like these, but they're actually a little too spicy for me. That almost never happens. This is good with tequila in it. All right, cookie butter. Oh man, that is good. I see why people like this. That was a big spoonful, but this is still very good. It's like those little Biscoff cookies that you used to get on the airplane. No, this is good. I could see this on like some crackers, maybe some fruit. Be really good.